Refset tool version 2, phase 2 functionality, giving a quick overview of that. So the first thing I'm going to do is log in as an author. This will take me to the projects page. I will then be able to create a new Refset. So I can go in and create a new Refset. Since I have a project already specified, it will fill in that detail for me with the project name, owner, and edition. I can then choose an existing metadata concept that is not currently in the tool. So if I select that, I can then choose from a list of reference sets that are created within Snowstorm that I can choose from. I can also create a new concept, and then I can choose a parent concept. So let's choose a parent concept here, simple type Refset, and then I can give it a name, test Refset. I can then add some narrative. This is narrative. I can then make that bold or italics, create bullet points, and so on. I can create some tags here. As many tags as I would like. And these tags can then be searched on through the directory if needed. I can then choose the type of reference set, so extensional or intentional. If I choose intentional, I would then be able to build an expression here and choose from a concept. So that will create my my Refset, my intentional Refset with an ECL definition. And I can also mark it as private if I wish it to be only viewed by people within my project or organization. And then clicking to create new Refset would generate that Refset. Let's go to an existing Refset and edit that. So this one here is in ready for edit status. I can also do published as well. Anything that's published, I can go in and edit. So I'm going to select this Refset. I will need to actually select the edit here to edit the Refset. I can then go down and add or remove members here. So if I select this icon, it would remove the concept from the Refset members. So let's go here and edit the membership. I can import a file. So if I have a list of concepts, I can import that in using the file. I can also do it by list. So if I select this, I can just enter them manually and edit, add members from that list. Here I can do add remove by search. So if I choose add remove by search and then search for a concept, then I can see all the concepts that are in. So in this case, it's bold and it has the icon of a minus, so I can remove that member. And then I can see things that aren't currently in the Refset. So in this case, entire dorsal finger of vein, structured dorsal digit of vein. So if I select that one, I can choose the concept itself, only its descendants, or the descendants and self. So let's choose this one here, and I'll click add members. It will say that the Refset's locked until those members are added. Once it's finished, it will give me this notification, and I can download a report and view the report of what members are added. So it says it's added 2 members, which is what I expected it to add, and it said it was successful. I can then close my search and go back out, and it will be in the membership. There's 20,000, so I'd have to search in here. So dorsal digit, and this may take a while since it's quite a few. So here we go. There's an entire. It readjusted. I did see them in there before it readjusted. Go ahead and cancel that search. I can also edit the metadata. So if I want to go in here, I can click Manage Refset, Edit Date Metadata. I can add narrative. I can add new tags. So let's say laterality, add that tag. I can make it private, input version notes, and so on. And then just click update metadata, and that will update the metadata, and my tag is now there. If I'm done with my changes, I can save the changes and come back to it later. I can undo the changes, which would undo any changes I made currently, or I can save and request review. So let's save and request review. I can also save and request publication, which would take it straight to publication, but we'll do save and request review. At this point, it's sitting in a queue for someone to come in and review. I can also withdraw the request, which will take it back to edit, so I can make more edits and then request a review later. Let me log out, and I will log back in as a reviewer. And I can then see that this is ready for my review. I can go in and review it. I can accept the Refset if I've looked at the changes and accept that, or I can reject it. If I reject it, I'm forced to put in a note of why I rejected it, or I can unassign it, and which would put it back into review. So let's accept the Refset. At this point, it's ready for publication. Ready for publication, sends a notice to SNOMED to have it published, and it will be, once it's published, we'll get a notification saying that it's ready for it's published, and it will be marked as such in the projects.